We all must have experienced sore throat at least once in our lifetime, and we also can vouch over the statement that nothing is more bothersome than a bad sore throat. Sore throat, also known as pharyngitis, is the inflammation of the pharynx. Sore throat, in simple words, is a painful or sensitive condition of the throat or surrounding area, the pharynx in particular, aggravated by swallowing or talking. Sore throat or pharyngitis is again divided into acute pharyngitis or chronic pharyngitis. Acute sore throat is characterized by the rapid onset of throat and pharyngeal inflammation with or without an exudate. We will be discussing about exudate in the later part of our video. On the other hand, chronic sore throat is a persistent sore throat that lingers for few weeks or returns frequently. Let us now take a quick look at the causes of acute pharyngitis. Viral infections are the most common causes of sore throat. Some of the common respiratory viruses causing sore throat are adenoviruses, influenza viruses, and rhinoviruses. Many bacterial infections cause sore throat, among which the Streptococcus pyogenes is the most commonly involved bacteria. Sore throat could also occur as a sequelae of an already existing nasal or sinus infection. Causes of sore throat is classified into endogenous causes, which means causes originating from within our body, and exogenous causes, which means causes originating outside our body. The endogenous factors causing sore throat involve infections of the nasal cavity and paranasal sinuses. Nasal blocking due to deviated nasal septum or hypertrophied turbinates makes the person a mouth breather, which leads to chronic sore throat. Chronic sinusitis may result in sore throat due to purulent post-nasal discharge trickling down in the throat. We have already discussed in detail about sinusitis in our previous video. Chronic dental infections, chronic tonsillitis, or tonsillectomy, which means surgical removal of tonsils, may act as a precipitating factor for sore throat. People suffering from chronic bronchitis or bronchiectasis may fall prey to recurrent sore throat. Acid reflux or hyperacidity could cause sore throat due to the burning sensation caused by the reflux material in the throat. Faulty voice production and overuse of voice may predispose to chronic pharyngitis. The exogenous causes of chronic pharyngitis involve smoking, tobacco chewing, alcohol, because they act as a chronic irritant to the throat. Atmospheric pollution also plays a part in causing recurrent sore throat. Signs and symptoms of sore throat. Your doctor, while examining your throat, could find a marked redness on the posterior pharyngeal wall along with a swollen uvula. The pharyngeal wall and tonsils may be coated with a mucopurulent discharge. Now, this is the exudate we were previously talking about. It is a fluid secreted by the tonsils in response to infection. The most common and the most annoying symptom of sore throat is pain or a scratchy sensation in the throat, especially while swallowing or talking. You may also experience a foreign body sensation, that is, you feel like something is stuck in your throat, which is also known as globus pharyngeus, and constantly indulge yourself in unnecessary hawking for clearing the throat. Dry, irritating cough, hoarseness of voice due to voice fatigue are the other common symptoms of sore throat. Fever, fatigue, body ache, headache are the few constitutional symptoms of sore throat. Now coming to the home remedies for sore throat. Salt water gargling. It is one of the easy to use remedy which is equally effective in killing the bacteria along with loosening the mucus and easing out the pain. Simply mix half teaspoon of salt with a glass of warm water and gargle away. You may also repeat it 3 to 4 times a day. Honey can help relieve sore throat pain due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water. Drinking the same helps to relieve the sore throat pain. Combination of ginger and honey is an age-old remedy used for relieving sore throat. Mixing 1 teaspoon ginger juice with 1 tablespoon of honey in 1 glass of lemon water and consuming the same is exceptionally soothing for the throat. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant, and this yellow spice has the power to fight many infections. Mixing half teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk is a remedy used for sore throat since antiquity. You may also add half teaspoon turmeric with half teaspoon salt into a glass of warm water and gargle with the same. If your throat is left raw by the dry irritating cough of sore throat, gargle with half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar along with half teaspoon salt dissolved in a glass of warm water. You may use it 4 to 5 times a day if needed. Hydrate yourself well. Keep sipping warm water, which would help soothe the sore throat pain. Steam inhalation also helps to ease out the acute irritation of sore throat. Last but not the least, getting adequate rest is mandatory for alleviation of the symptoms. It is also a good idea to rest your voice as well because activities such as talking, shouting, or singing may further irritate your already tender throat. Try avoiding consumption of cold foods such as ice creams, chilled water, or excessive spicy or oily food as it may aggravate the pain at times and delay the healing process. Kindly consider to like, share, and subscribe the channel if this information was useful to you. If you need to know more about any other topics, please mention in the comments below. Thank you for watching.